Have you ever wondered how AI assistants like ChatGPT can understand and respond to us in such a natural and human-like manner? The secret behind their ability to comprehend and generate human-like language lies in a revolutionary technology called large language models, or LLMs. LLMs are a type of artificial intelligence that has been trained on massive amounts of text data from the internet, books, articles, and other sources. By analyzing and learning from this vast collection of text, LLMs develop an understanding of language patterns, grammar, and the relationships between words and concepts, much like how humans learn language from exposure. How LLMs work. Let's break it down with a simple example. Imagine you ask an LLM, "What is the capital of France?" Based on the patterns it has learned from the training data, the LLM will predict the most likely next word or sequence of words to complete the sentence. In this case, it would correctly output Paris. But LLMs can do much more than just fill in the blanks. By ingesting and learning from those massive datasets during training, they develop a deep comprehension of language. This allows them to engage in remarkably complex linguistic tasks, like writing articles, answering questions, translating between languages, summarizing long documents, and even generating computer code. For instance, if you asked an LLM to write a short story about a time-traveling detective, it could craft an original, coherent narrative by understanding the context and relationships between the key concepts. Major players and applications. The development of LLMs is driven largely by big tech companies and well-funded AI research labs like OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Anthropic, and more. OpenAI's GPT series, including the groundbreaking GPT-3 and the latest GPT-4, has been at the forefront of LLM development. While much of the LLM development happens behind the scenes, we're already seeing innovative consumer applications emerge, such as ChatGPT for open-ended conversational AI, GitHub Copilot for AI-assisted coding, Microsoft Copilot for AI writing assistance, Google's Gemini chatbot, Anthropic's reasoning-focused Claude AI, Mistral AI's open-source LLMs. LLMs are also being used for tasks like content generation, translation and localization, search and recommendation systems, sentiment analysis, and even in finance for fraud detection and market analysis. The future of LLMs. The world of LLMs is evolving rapidly. Not only are they getting bigger and smarter, but they're also becoming multimodal, meaning they can understand and work with images, audio, and video in addition to text. Scientists are finding new ways to make LLMs more powerful and efficient, thanks to better hardware and novel training approaches like reinforcement learning. There are also efforts to develop specialized LLMs for domains like healthcare, finance, and education, tailored to the unique language patterns and knowledge requirements of those fields. As LLMs continue advancing, they bring us closer to creating AI that can engage in human-like communication and reasoning, augmenting our intelligence and decision-making capabilities. However, their development also raises important challenges around bias, misuse, environmental impact, and the implications for human labor that must be carefully navigated through responsible innovation and governance. Let's conclude. Large language models represent a groundbreaking AI capability with the potential to transform how we interact with information and computers. By leveraging deep learning on massive datasets, LLMs can understand and generate natural language in a way that will open up new realms of AI applications and human-machine collaboration. Thank you for watching.